Say rolling. Are you rolling? Well, here we are. There's the European Union. There's Belgium. And over there, that's Holland. That's Romania. These are seagulls, totally confusing. But they're all meeting over there. There's the South of England Seagull Convention. If you pan over to the right, and, there's rather a lot of duck's poo down there. This one, they're black-headed gannet, is getting ready to make the entrance to announce the coming of the Brexit bird. Did you hear us shout out here? Nasty piece of that. Here they go. Here it comes. There's an albatross. And see, there's the cliffs of Dover all along there. This is the English Channel. I'm now going to walk on water. Goodbye. No, you can't film me in case I sink. Here it comes.